eToro Review, How to Trade Stocks 2022. eToro describe themselves as an accessible and social trading platform for investing. I'd describe them as Facebook for trading stocks and crypto. They launched in 2006, and are now the world's largest investment network. eToro is a safe trading platform with a community of 20 million users. eToro and the wider phenomenon of social investing have been widely reviewed by mainstream media, including a recent BBC documentary called Traders, Millions by the Minute. The most unique feature of eToro is probably Copy Trader. It allows you to sort through other traders and see their trading history. This includes how much they have made or lost over any given period. If you find a trader you like the look of, you can allocate some funds to automatically invest and copy their trades. Another big plus is the Popular Investors program. This rewards users based on how many copiers they have in the form of monthly commission. The program also incentivizes responsible trading. We'll discuss this in more depth towards the end of the guide. So with the social and copying features, you'll learn a great deal relatively quickly on eToro. Most of the need-to-knows you'll pick up by reading this eToro review or playing with a demo account. Take it easy at the start. Understand how the stock market works. Make sure you know what you're doing before investing larger amounts of money. Trading on eToro can be very profitable. But whenever you're dealing with the markets, you can lose money too. Your capital is at risk. Copying other good traders, copy people. This is the simplest way to invest on eToro. Read Liam's story. When you copy someone, every trade they execute is simultaneously opened in your account and sold when they sell it on eToro. It's all proportional to what percent of your total account's funds you choose to allocate to them. More on this later. Ultimately you will achieve the same rate of return as they do. Finding reliable traders to copy on eToro isn't always easy. You need to know what to look for and what to stay clear of. More on this later on. Allow me to help you master the art of copy trading. Avoid the most common mistakes. The number one mistake beginners make right away is being a sheep. When you venture into the copy people section looking for a trader to copy, it's intuitive to sort by most copied and blindly copy the top results. You'd think that the most copied people have lots of copiers for a reason, right? The wisdom of the crowd perhaps. But the reality is that most people on eToro are complete beginners and don't really know what they are doing. If a few people copy a trader for the wrong reasons, that trader can quickly go viral with exponentially more copiers following suit without thinking for themselves. Even though this eToro trader has extremely poor performance, he would have lost 98% of your money over the last 5 months if you'd copied him. He still has close to 2,000 people copying him. Bizarrely, this happens quite a lot on eToro, so I'll be explaining the process I follow when copy trading as part of this review. Having warned against consistently underperforming traders, the other big pitfall beginners fall into is overtrading. It's incredibly tempting to keep checking how much you've made or lost every few hours, but emotions will cloud your better judgment and lead to tinkering. No trader on eToro will make a profit every single week or month. So I highly recommend you take a medium/long-term approach. This requires patience and discipline, but you're more likely to see better gains over time. Finding the best traders to copy. First off, click on Copy People on the eToro sidebar. You can either simply scroll down the page to see promising and trending popular investors. 5 attributes every trader you copy should have. Really demonstrate their market knowledge and experience on their profile feed. Have low weekly and daily drawdowns, basically how much they've been down over a given period. Anything more than 10% should be a red flag. Don't have ridiculous returns. I know this may seem counterintuitive, but if you see someone with 1000% plus returns in a very short period of time, realize that this is unsustainable luck and can only be achieved by being reckless. Don't have a 100% win rate. It's perfectly normal to sell some trades in the red. This is a sign of discipline and experience. Beginners chase their losses, proper traders know when to cut loose. Are communicative. You want to copy someone who can help you learn and is willing to share their trading methodology. If they don't reply to your messages, they either don't care, likely to trade carelessly too, or they don't know how to answer because they don't have a clue what they're doing.